Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to outline text in Pixlr. So there guys, this is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here at pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the homepage of Pixlr, where we can get started with logging into our accounts. In the upper right corner you can log in or create a new account if you do not already have one, and after logging in now we can get started with opening up our photo editor right here. So go ahead and click on the photo editor. That's going to open up this new menu page where we can get started with opening up the image where we want to outline our text. So open up the image from your PC. I already have my image right here, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And after opening it up, you can now get started with editing your image. As you can see right here at the left side screen, we can see the toolbar with all the options and effects that we have for editing our image. We have arrange, crop, cutout, and so on. And now we can get started with outlining our text. And the option we want to use for outlining text is this one right here that says text. Click on text, and now this is going to open up this new menu where we can get started with adding new text. So click on adding text, and now you can go ahead and select what you want to say right here, the name of your text, what you want to say, and so on. And if you scroll down, we can find all the options that we have. As you can see guys, here we have the uppercase, italic, bold, and underline. So what you want to do is go ahead and get started with using the effect options right here, and here is outline. So as you can see, we can turn on the outline option so that our text will be outlined and get the desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.